and say I miss you, and I hope that you're okay. Address the letters to the holes in my butterfly wings. Nothing's forever, nothing's as good as it seems. When the clouds iron out, the monsters creep into your house. Every door is hard to close. Well, I hope you know how proud I am you were created with the courage to unlearn all of their hatred. But God, I hope that you're happier today, 'cause I love you, and I hope that you're okay.